I just started building an online business and my only partner is AI. This is episode 1 where I pick my niche, create a brand identity, and build a fully functional website. You will see everything, and if you want to do the same thing, follow along step by step. I just gave a prompt which will help me figure out my niche, my brand identity, and it will ask me questions on what I want, and based on that, it will figure out the niche and brand. So it's first asking me what I want to offer. So I want to offer service, yeah, coaching, freelancing, agency, and consulting. Good. It's asking me what kind of service: business, strategy, consulting, marketing, design, tech development, AI. Yeah, tech development and AI. Now it's asking me to describe what I actually deliver. I think I can deliver one and two both. So I'll just say one and two. And now it is asking me how are you set up right now. I think it's solo. Now it is asking me what my ideal client looks like, and I think to start with we can say it's a mix, and I do not have a clear answer here. What is the number one problem you want to solve for them? I think the number one problem would be both 1 and 3, where they know they need AI but don't know where to start. They're wasting time on manual processes that could be automated. So it is 1 and 2. So based on my answers, even though I said I work with a mix and no clear niche, it is suggesting me the clear type of client is non-technical founders and business leaders who need a trusted tech partner. Now it is asking me if this feels like an ideal client to me. I think this feels right, so let's move ahead. Now we have a niche that is figured out. It is now going to ask what my brand feel like and how my brand looks like. So basically the brand identity. What should our brand feel like? It should be warm and approachable. And visually, which vibe are you drawn to? Okay, this is a tough one. I think tech and futuristic. Okay, now the brand personality is logged in. Futuristic look, human voice, primary accent color. This will be the color people remember you by against a dark background. To choose the colors, I think it would be good if we can visually choose the color palette. So what we are going to do is ask it to show the color palette so I can choose. Okay, now I can visually see these color palettes that it was offering. Mm, it is recommending this one. I feel this one is much better. So I'll just use the first one. So what would be my brand name? I will use it as my personal brand, so my own name. How do you currently charge and want to charge? I think it could be a mix of monthly retainer and project based. So I would say mix of above, not sure what's best. Okay, now it is suggesting me the 3-tier service where the first is the on call, basically some consultancy, and then second is some building some kind of project, and then third is where I can be a tech partner on monthly retainer. I think I love it. Okay, now it is asking me for the pricing range. I think we can always change this, so we'll go with these options. Okay, what makes our client choose me over other developer or consultant? Simplify the complex thing, move fast. I think like a founder, one-stop shop, strategy and execution in one person. Okay, I think all of the above, honestly. Okay, now it is pushing me to choose a one-liners. Okay, uh, pick one line which feel most like you and think you'd naturally say first. I think I'll go with move fast and ship real thing, not just slide deck. Okay, what is going to be our tagline? I ship AI, not slide deck. From idea to I, build fast, build right. Your AI partner who actually builds. Less talk, more product. None of these give me more options. Yeah, give me more options. Too casual, informal, too aggressive, edgy. Didn't feel premium enough. They feel like they're fine but not wow. I want something sharper, yes. You dream it, I deploy it. AI that works by Monday. Think it, build it, ship it. Turn what if into what's next. Your unfair advantage in AI is still not it. Okay, I think this one is good. Think it, build it, ship it. Where do you currently show up online or want to do? I am on YouTube currently. What type of content feels more natural to you? I think it will be video. How often can you realistically commit to posting YouTube videos? I think it will be 1 2 videos per month. Should have said 3 or 4, but okay, we'll change it later if needed. I'll type my name now. Okay, it took few minutes, but now we have a full brand identity. It built a full document, and I did not imagine it will be so good. So here it is defining everything: the brand overview, target audience, brand personality, what is the voice, visual identity, typography, what are the service packages, positioning statement, and content strategy. It also has the website building prompt that I can give to any LLM and it will build a website for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this, add it to Claude, give this prompt as well, and ask it to build a website. If you want to use Claude Code to build this website, you can just quickly download the Visual Studio Code first, download it, and then install the Claude Code. Once you are in the VS Code, see here I have downloaded this document here, the brand identity. And when you are in the VS Code, you can go to this extension section, search for Claude Code and install it. Once you install it, you will be seeing this, and you can start a new session. You might get pop-up to sign in with your account, which you will do, and you will start using it. Okay, we'll just paste the same prompt that we got and also ask it to refer this document if needed. For more info. Okay, it wants to read the doc first. Yes, you can read it. It took some time, but we have our website ready. We have a CTA to book a free call and see what we offer. Book a free call will just redirect you to the call page, and see what I offer will redirect you to the services we are offering. And then what is the process? These are testimonials which are not correct, but we'll add a new one with correct ones. Then subscribe to YouTube. It redirects to the YouTube channel. Connect on LinkedIn, YouTube, send an email. Everything is there. We'll do few things, few tweaks. We'll add a real LinkedIn profile and real email. Currently, when we click on this booking calendar, it opens up this currently, which is not mine. And so we will attach our, now let's give it our own YouTube channel. YouTube channel is this, and Calendly can be empty for now. LinkedIn, we also want to make sure that we do not show the pricing here currently. It will be on call only, that when people connect with me on call, we want to discuss pricing there based on the complexity. That's it. Actually, mail should also go to this Gmail. We can see pricing is based on scope now, and if we click here, it is redirecting to our own channel, and email is also correct now. That's it. We have our web page ready now, and in the next video I will show you how you can create your own domain and deploy this page onto your domain. Subscribe now to follow along with this series, and like this video if you think this was helpful for you.